Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Monzoor. Have you ever wished selling online could be as easy as teaming up with your favorite creators and making more money together, not just alone? Imagine combining your digital course, a friend's physical product, and another expert's coaching all in one seamless checkout. Sounds futuristic, right? Today, I'm reviewing OfferLab, the collaborative platform that's changing how creators, funnel builders, and affiliates sell online. Whether you're a course creator, product seller, or an affiliate marketer, OfferLab promises to make selling and earning smarter and easier. Let's dive into one of OfferLab's standout features, the ability to build a collaborative funnel. Imagine you're a yoga coach and you want to offer not just your own online course, but also a premium yoga mat from Riley, sustainable cork yoga blocks from Lowell, and even access to a yoga retreat by Tyler. With OfferLab, you can bundle all these offers together into one seamless checkout experience. Here's how it works. From the dashboard, you simply browse other creators' offers, select the products you want to include, and with just a few clicks, you've built a high converting funnel that benefits everyone involved. Each creator gets paid automatically, and your customers enjoy a smooth one stop shopping experience. This collaborative approach is what sets OfferLab apart from traditional platforms. Who is OfferLab for? Whether you're an offer creator selling on platforms like Shopify or ClickFunnels, a funnel builder looking for high converting offers, or an affiliate promoter wanting to maximize your earnings, OfferLab is designed for you. For creators, simply list your offer and let others promote it. Funnel builders can combine multiple offers into one powerful funnel. And affiliates, you can earn more by promoting the best bundles. Automatic revenue sharing. Worried about splitting payments? OfferLab handles revenue sharing automatically. Set your commission once and every creator gets paid their share. No spreadsheets, no hassle. Bundle offers from anyone. Find and add offers from other creators with just one click. Courses, merch, events, and more. It all stacks beautifully inside one high converting funnel. Easy setup, no tech skills needed. Getting started is simple. Import your products, bundle them into offers, set your commission, and you're ready to sell. No technical skills needed. So, amplify your audience. Ready to level up your sales? Start your collab era today with OfferLab. It's free to get started. Just click the link below. Still have questions? OfferLab makes it easy to sell digital courses, physical products, live events, and more. Already selling elsewhere? No problem. Just import your products and start collaborating. What do you think about collaborative selling? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Digital Monzoor for more honest reviews. Ready to try OfferLab? The link is in the description. Get started for free today.